Okay, today we're talking about Angelina Baker, or Angelina Baker, as some people say. It's going to start, like most fiddle tunes, it has two parts, and each part is separated into 4 phrases. So here is the first phrase of the first part. I'll play that again. One more time, and I'll say the names of the notes as I play it. A, B, D, A, B, D. And we move on to the second phrase. I'll play that again. One more time with the notes. A, B, D, A, B, B. Then we'll move on to the third phrase. I'll do that again. One more time with the note names. A, B, D, E, F, E, D. And then the last phrase. E, F, E, D, B, A, A. Great, so here's the whole first part. And then we always, when we play a fiddle tune, almost always, play each part twice. So we do that again. Then we go on to the second part. It's going to start with our third finger on our E string. I'll play that again. Once again with the note names. A, F, E, D, E, F, E, D. Next phrase, phrase 2. Sorry, I got a little tied up in there. So that's phrase 2. One more time with the names of the notes. A, F, E, D, B, B. And then the third phrase, which is the same as the first, and this happens all the time in fiddle tunes. We've already spent time practicing that, so I'll go on to the fourth phrase, which is the same as the fourth phrase in the A part. So here's the whole B part, and then once I'm done playing through the B part, I'll start the whole tune over again so you can hear and practice with the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4... Repeat. A part. So this is from the beginning. Repeat. Now we'll go on to the second part. Oops, it happens. Great, that's Angelina Baker. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to speed that up a little bit. Alright, that's Angelina Baker. If you found what you saw today helpful, hit like and subscribe, hit the little bell. Thanks for watching.